Is boating in Florida actually safe without a PLB, a personal locator beacon? And that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. If you're new to our channel, we're Kim and Jason in Florida, and we're a boating couple.
Yep.
And we do boating videos in the Tampa Bay area. So you'll see us out at Egmont, Shell Key, Passage Key, downtown Tampa. Today we're going to be going to Finn's in Apollo Beach. And we're going to talk to you guys about something that we just purchased lately. There's been some stuff that's been going on in the news. And we decided for 2026, we're going to go ahead and step up our safety game. We've been boating in the Tampa Bay area for years and just recently decided to step up the game. We do have life jackets on board. We have cell phones. We have a VHF radio, all that, but we want the personal locating beacon. It's just something that we can use in case we are in an emergency or in a stressful situation where we can press the button and it's going to have a contact or signal contact by satellite. I went ahead and registered it today.
Who does it contact? The Coast Guard, or
like the Coast Guard.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's gonna contact the Coast Guard with your exact location. This is very important because if you've ever been in a stressful situation, I mean, you don't know what you don't know. Your adrenaline kicks in. You're not sure what you're gonna do.
Yeah.
So the idea here is really to make things easy. So this has an antenna. So just under the antenna, it pops up, and then you're just gonna hold down that button, the red button, for 2 seconds, and then you're going to leave this on. So anytime, I mean, it could be a medical emergency, it could be your boat capsize.
Yeah, whatever the case is.
Whatever the case is. And what's great about this is you can take this with you anywhere. So if you're gonna go kayaking, you can take that. Paddleboarding, you take it. If you're hiking somewhere, you bring this with you. Now keep in mind, this video is not sponsored. This is something that we purchased from ACR ourselves. It was $465 with free shipping, and they did have a 10% off promo code. They have a couple different models. I got the 410. The 410 model is a little bit more expensive, but what's great is that you get a signal back letting you know that your message has been received. So it's gonna be kind of like a read receipt. The other one, I think the 400, you just press the button and you hope. you hope. So this is very new to us. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with one of these. We're going to be getting another one. So each of us are going to have one of these at all times. And then we're going to get the inflatable life jackets. Right now, we just have those big Walmart orange cheapies.
Yeah.
But we're going to get the inflatable life jackets that we can use and attach this to that PFD.
It comes with equipment that you can strap it onto yourself or whatever. The point is you know, we have phones, but if you went overboard, you wouldn't have your phone on you. This straps to you.
Correct. And there was a time when we had Kim's phone was in the beach chair, and we closed up the beach chair, and the phone fell in the water.
Yeah.
And
we left.
And we left. Or you know, your battery goes dead.
Yeah.
So there's anything that could happen. I mean, you could be out here like we are right now. We're just out here in Tampa Bay. We could be doing this video talking, and someone could just run into us.
Right.
Right? We are outside of the channel, but you know, you don't know what you don't know.
Yeah. Well, in fact, I needed to call 911 one time in a very stressful situation, and I couldn't.
Yeah.
Because of, I guess I'm not good under pressure. I don't know. I just couldn't dial. So this has one button, like literally.
One button. Same thing too, VHF radio. We've got that over here. So this guy here has a distress button. That's a distress button there. We're on channel 16. So we want to be as safe as possible going into this new year.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you've been in a stressful situation, if you have, let us know about it. I mean, we've been in a few, and you know, we'll probably have another one. Hopefully not, but you know,
hopefully not.
But we want to be prepared, right?
Yeah.
We want to be prepared. Last thing we want to be is out here floating around in the water, and not be able to contact anyone. So here we do have cell phone. Right?
And the radio.
And the radio. So you just want to have all these extra layers. So it's this ACR PLB by ResQLink. Yeah, I'm excited. I hope I don't have to ever use it.
Yeah.
You know, that's the thing.
That's the goal.
The goal, and the batteries last like 5 years, so then you have to take it to like an authorized a dealer. I think you probably take it to Bass Pro Shops, or maybe you have to send it back to them. I'm not sure yet.
Oh, they changed the battery?
Yeah, you got to change the battery. It's only good for like 5 years,
Okay.
and it has a battery expiration date on there.
Gotcha.
So
So you can't put a price on your life.
no, you can't put a price.
What'd you say this is $400?
$465.
Okay.
Yeah, $465. And you can hear we got
radio.
a radio in the background, so it could be overkill. But I mean, seriously, if we were floating around here in this water, I mean, we would go to shore. We would that would be the play. But I mean, but if we were out there in the bay somewhere,
Or the Gulf. We're trying to develop good habits now because we do want to get a sailboat. I'm sure you've heard us mention it. It's coming soon.
because a few years back, I went out with some buddies. We went fishing. We went 60 miles out. I didn't ask do you have a PLB? Do you have an EPIRB on the boat?
Yeah.
I didn't ask any of that stuff. So we were out there. We didn't have any issues, but who knows? If something was to happen, you hear on the news. There was like last year when four fishermen, they went missing down in South Florida. And even just recently, the 2 attorneys down in South Florida, they went fishing. And they...
In $1 million boat, supposedly very seasoned fishermen. So
Yeah.
we're just trying to...
So if it could happen to them,
Yeah.
it could happen to us. So, all right. I think that's enough yapping right now because
Enough yapping.
One of our viewers, someone left a comment, said you got to check out Finn's. Finn's down in Apollo Beach, so that's what we're going to be doing. Finn's is down by Circles. You hear us talk about going to Circles.
We've gone to Circles many times. Finn's is right next door, so I figure better check it out.
We're going to check it out. So we're going to bring you guys with us, and then we'll talk a little bit more about this and get some food. So, ready to get going?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's do it.
Do it.
Can I tell you that?
Can you get the lines ready?
Oh, yeah. Oh, am I the line boy?
Yeah, you're the line boy.
Ooh, look at this. Who did this? This is so sexy. Ooh, yeah. Here, you getting me in shot here? Ooh,
Yeah, you're in the shot.
I'm in the shot.
Calm down.
I don't want to undo these now. Coil them all up nice like that. Yeah.
The idea is for you to go ahead and set them up.
Oh, is that the idea? Oh. Are you gonna yell at me the entire time?
No, it's just that I'll be about ready to dock and you're starting to think about it. And I'm like,
You're gonna bark orders at me?
well, I am the captain.
You are the captain. All right, Captain, we are almost ready here. I am your crew.
Said I thought I ordered a cabana boy.
All right, sounds good. The lines are ready.
All right.
They are all ready.
It is windy out.
It is a little windy, huh? Woohoo! What the? Is this Miami boat ramps?
Yep.
All right. Yeah, it is windy.
So does Finn's have their own dockage?
Yeah, they got their own.
Okay.
So Finn's is up there. I can see it from the. It's white and there's turquoise.
Yep.
So
All right.
I don't
And
see.
if there's no boats there, is that a good sign?
Well, it's a great sign because it means there's plenty of dockage for us. Yeah, but normally you'd like to see some other boats on the water. I think we should rename our boat to the Turtle.
Sir Turtle?
The Turtle.
I'm going almost 3.5 miles per hour. You want me to go faster?
No, you're the captain, but you're Captain Turtle. Yeah, we're good. I enjoy taking all this in. Taking it all in. Yeah, because they've got a bunch of those skyway palms and the royal palms. They got some. Oh,
Foxtail? Oh, there's foxtails over there.
Look at that retaining wall that they've got. That's kind of nice. See that? Around the whole house there? I'd be smelling some food. All right, we are coming up to fins. Circles, fins. Circles, fins. Let's say no more.
Must be a low tide.
Yeah, it is kind of low, huh? All right, so that's...
Oh, shit.
What the heck? What are you doing? OMG.
Sorry.
All right, this is why I'm gonna have to have that PLB on me at all times. It's gonna throw me out into
I meant to. Yeah, that was pretty bad.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
Are we going on the inside?
I'm not sure. We're gonna figure this out. There's a lot of people up there too.
Oh, I don't want people looking at me.
You know, they're looking at you now.
The pressure's on.
Oh, I think we might have a dockhand up here, maybe.
You might have what?
Maybe a dockhand. I see a guy walking out.
Oh, I don't want to do that.
Yeah, just go ahead and do it. I got this guy.
Yeah,
Sir, thank you. Appreciate you.
Right.
There you go. Good. Awesome.
You want fenders, babe?
Yeah, we'll get the fenders out.
He said, welcome to the better restaurant.
Better restaurant.
Obviously, Circles has been here longest.
Yeah, yep.
I remember them from my childhood.
Yeah. Well, you're just a kid. What are you talking?
Your child.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I will say I like Fins for when I'm hanging out with friends.
Okay.
And then I like Circles for a little more like family stuff, more fancy date, blah 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 stuff.
Oh, gotcha.
Cool.
Cool.
Over here though. Love the vibe.
Oh, there we go.
There's that.
Oh, that's cool. So that's how you do it.
A little dance, man.
Oh, yeah, I gotta get that. All right, you're gonna do that again? That was cool. I saw like one video of the girl. She was like whipping the thing on the.
I mean, I've tried to learn it.
Yeah.
Once I get that, it's gonna be critical.
Yeah, that's what she was doing.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so do that, and then all right. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Spin that up.
Yeah.
Well, that was a bad one, but.
That was nice. I appreciate you.
Man, I
Yes, sir.
appreciate it. All right, you guys are tied up and good to go. Have
Cool.
a good day, guys.
Thank you. All right, so we're gonna go check out Fins. They got a dock hand here, which is really cool. He coiled that up with his foot. I'm gonna try doing that. So we're gonna go get some food. So we just finished up over at Fins. Got a little something to eat. Pretty good. So check it out. What are your thoughts on that?
I thought the food was good.
Yeah.
Service was good.
That's good.
Dockage was good.
Dockage was good. There was a guy.
Complaints. It was.
It was really good. There's a guy helping us doing the dock.
They had a dock hand, yeah.
That was really cool. So we definitely like that. They didn't have any TVs outside though. That was one thing. We're there to watch the Falcons and the Saints play because we need the Saints. We need the Saints to win so the Bucs can make it to the playoff. We're third quarter. We're heading back. So. Also, too, really, the main thing is go ahead and pull up that box, babe.
Oh, right.
Yeah, because this is that ResQLink, the 410 RLS. It's all about safety, being safe on the water. I mean, do you need to have one of these when you're out here on the water? When you're boating in Florida? I'm gonna say I would get one if you can. It's totally worth it. You know, most of the time here, you know, we're in areas where. You know, we have our cell phones and all that, but for the price, just to have that insurance, the extra safety that, hey, something goes wrong, you know, I mean, right now we've got this in the box. We're going to be taking this out, but we're going to have it. We're going to be having it on our vests, and we're going to be be ready to know that that if something does happen, we're gonna be able to press that button, and they're gonna be sending the whole cavalry out here to get us, and that's really what you want, you know, especially you know, in a time of need. All right.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna feel better, and it's just really it's just being about being safe and just having that redundancy. So
Peace of mind.
yeah, peace of mind. So I hope you guys like this video. Appreciate you. Cool. See you all on the next one.
Can I tell you that